Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amberly K, and in the title you can see that I'm going to do passion braids with a rubber band. Feed in the curly hair, and this is my first time, y'all, and I got so many compliments on my hair. Oh, it is so pretty. I love this hairstyle, so I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I'm not no professional braider or nothing like that. I'm just showing y'all how I did it, okay? And if you guys like it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. FYI, you guys, that's just some leave-in conditioner that I like to put on the hair, so when I braid it, it makes it all smooth and give it like a shiny look. So that's just leave-in conditioner that I got from Target. Okay. I'm just wrapping up my hair with the rubber band, combing it out. Comb. Put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. It kind of seals up your ends, because you know we got to keep our ends and stuff cool, even though we in protective styles. So I'm just trying to braid it, trying to blend it all, braid it all. So yeah, so you'll keep on braiding down, and you're just trying to latch it on there. That's why I put the rubber band on the weave and try to attach it to the hair and just try to braid it all down together. So this is definitely beginner friendly, okay? And I'm telling you, coming from a girl who do not braid and really don't know how to braid, this was good for me, okay? So now I just take that little piece of hair, that curly hair, that wet wavy hair, I just put it in my mouth, or I put a little clip on it, so you don't want to get it braided with your hair that you're trying to braid. You want to leave that hair out so it has a little wet and wavy curly hair look to it. So you want to leave that hair out, and I just put a little clip to it so it won't be in the way. And when I braid a little bit down more, I try to take a little bit more curly hair out so it won't be all in the same spot, so the curls can be maybe on top of the braid and a little lower in the middle of the braid. So I just keep on braiding and braiding. And let me tell you something, girl, I would not advise you put that hair in your mouth. That hair nasty. I licked my lips and that shit was so freaking nasty. So you see this right here, I'm just taking the hair and I'm going to loop it in. I'm just going to put it in. Now, I guess this is called the feed-in braid, but honey, I'm still learning. I just went with the flow. And you see, it just all went in perfect. Not no issue or nothing. So when you braid it, you want to have like your fingers kind of open, and that's just a little spot where the braid can go in. And you see right here, I'm struggling just a little bit. But we did it. We got it in. Guys, this is the end. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This hair came out so beautiful. Y'all try y'all's next time. Bye.